Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll show you an important lesson, but before that let me wish you all a good Diwali, happy Diwali, which is coming up, and I hope all of you have spent a good time in Durga Puja. You spend good time in Navaratri and Dasera as well, so all the festive periods are over. However, Diwali is coming up, so wish you all a good Diwali and a good prosperous life, and also have a safe Diwali. The crackers will be going on, so wish you all a safe Diwali. So today's lesson will be a bit real time one. It is totally a real time approach, so I request you all to have a patience and watch this video carefully till the end. Watch this video thoroughly, okay, because it is a real time one, and it will going to be a interesting one as well, because today's lesson I'll show you that let me give you a background of this real time scenario. Say your business has a recurring entry every month. Say their recurring entry is, wait, let me write it down. Notepad, I'm opening it up. Their recurring entries, say for an example, telephone expenses debit, bank credit. So now you may come up saying that now here we can post a recurring entry and we can go on. Correct, but if you post a recurring entry, is it possible to refer the recurring document every month and to post the same entry again and again every month? No. How to do how will how should we do that when we have such a intelligent system like SAP? Okay, so we can post this document as a reference one at a time, and then we can refer this document, and then we can schedule this document per month. If we know that this is the this is same to same document is going to be posted every month, then the solution would be to schedule a job beforehand. Now how to do that? The approach will be like, first of all, we have to post a recurring entry. I'm going to FBD1 to post a recurring entry. My company code is this. Today I'm going to run this first, so I have given today's date. Okay. So last run on an interval in month. Obviously I want to post it monthly, so just going to pick up the per month. Now as per the requirement of your business, now here I'm covering a scenario wherein I want this entry to be posted monthly, so I'm going to do likewise. Monthly phone expenses, so just clicking on the fast data entry. Okay, the currency is a mandatory one. Fast data entry I have clicked on. Now it will open up a window wherein I can put my debit and credit, and then I can put my amount, and then I can keep on doing the posting. 40 I have given. Telephone expenses I have to pick up. Telephone expenses, this is my telephone expenses. Amount will be, say for an example, I'm going to post for 4,000 per month. Fine. Now giving a cost center here. Here I'm making bank credit 50, and then bank. Say I'm making the Citibank credit. Amount will be the same, 4,000. Now fine, this is the entry I want. If it looks good, then I'm just saving it. Now okay, so there must be something mandatory which I have missed. Okay, value date is mandatory, so I'm putting a value date here. Now set it. Now when this will be saved, this one document 301 was stored in company code ABC. It is not yet posted, it is stored. Okay, now how to display the recurring entry? It is ABD3 is the transaction to display the accounting entry 301. Pressing enter. It will be telephone expenses debit to Citibank. Citibank will be credited, like correct. But it is not. It has not gone to FD03. Why? Because it is not yet posted. It is the recurring entry is only stored, means it has not affect the accounting entry yet, and that is what the mechanism is. So now I will schedule this. Okay, referring to this document number is just a reference document number. Now referring to this, I will start the posting. 301. Okay, now the T code is F.14, company code ABC. Once again, document number is this one is fiscal year is 2023, settlement period set today. I'm going to do the posting. Okay, now batch input session, let me give a name RECURR. Fine. Now just executing this. Session recur was created. Perfect. Now I'll go to the SM35, the first one. So I will execute this in the background. Okay, process foreground, no, background. Fine. Now we'll click on the cancel log if error occurs. Okay, clicking on the process. I'll schedule this in the background, thus it will schedule the job posting in the background. Okay, and from the background we will get to know that what all has happened. I have clicked on the process. It may take a bit time to come up. Yeah, one session was successfully processed. Perfect. So I'm going to SM37. Fine. We'll click on the execute button. Yes, so recur. This was the other one I scheduled earlier, got finished. So fine. So recur is still active. It is going on. Yeah, it is finished now. Perfect. So now I'm going to check whether it got posted the document successfully or not, but it will be posted on today's date. Document list. First I have to go. Company code is this. Obviously this document is supposed to be posted on today's date because I have given today's date only. So my document type would be SA. We'll click on the execute button. Yes, so this one will be my job. This one will be my document. The other one is not. Why? Because I'm just going inside. Yes, so clicking on the header button. Time is 13:03. Now it is 1.04 p.m. Okay, so 13 means 1 p.m. 13:04 means exactly the same time. Okay, means So this is my document which got posted. Okay, but the other one is not my document. Why? The reason being, if I am going inside, if I check the created at time, see it has posted on 12. Okay, so 1 hour before. Okay, so obviously the the next document is mine. Okay, so and also telephone expenses debit to Citibank, and in the other case the bank was different. Telephone expenses debit to HSBC Bank. Obviously it is not mine. Mine is this one. Telephone expenses debit to Citibank. So my document number is 8. So document number 8 got posted successfully. Perfect. So this part is perfect. But what was my request? What was the request from business? Request from business was to post this entry every month. Okay, so today it got posted. This is not a solution. Anyone can post a document with a reference document number. Okay, not even by using the recurring document number. So what is the what is the solution? How to do it? The solution is, again I have to go to SM37, executing this. My job was this, recur. I have selected this. Now I have to go to the menu, job, and then repeat scheduling. Okay, now periodic job, obviously it would be, because I will post this periodically. Now in this month this job is over, I don't require this posting in this month anymore, so I will start this from the coming month. Okay, so say 1st of December I'll start this in, and I want this entry to be happening for another year. So I will give another year's time. Okay, 1/12/2023 to 1st of December 2024. Okay, so let me put a date. Sorry, let me put a time. Okay, no, this may not be a correct time. Let me put a time like 20 20 20. Fine. So periodic job is fine. Now per month, so I have monthly I have to select. Here you have the option. Okay, how you want to post, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or any other criteria if you want. So my case, my requirement is to post this monthly. Okay, I have selected monthly. I'll save this. Then fine. Then I'll click on the check button. I'll click on the start period must be more than the 1 year part. Okay, are more than 1 year fine. Yeah, okay. So I think I have to, okay, I have to make this time also. Fine. Now start time and start time are more than 1 year apart. Okay, I think it is not allowing 1 year, is it? Okay, then let me do it like this. Yeah, now this time. Okay, then let me do it like 2nd of December. Maybe yeah. Now this time it will accept. See, fine. So fine. Now I'll click on the check button. I'll click on the save button. Perfect. It is scheduled. Now I will do one thing. I'll check whether at all it is scheduled or not. So what I have to do is, I'm giving a larger range. Now recur. See the recur. The test, leave the test part. My test is not my job. This is my job, which is scheduled. Okay. Now I'll go to the job log. I'll double click on it. See, here job class is released. Fine. Monthly frequency is selected. So it is expected that every month it will post this job monthly. Okay, which was the requirement from the business. So it is a real time scenario. This kind of scenario are very common coming up from business. So if you have watched this video thoroughly, then I hope you can solve business users requirement. You can address business users requirement by going by this approach. Okay, it is a very good approach. Okay, it is the correct approach to address any kind of recurring job postings. Okay, which business want to be posted monthly or quarterly or half yearly or yearly. Okay, so if this requirement is like this, then you can do this by this approach. So I hope it is clear to you. If not, then please put your questions in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your query. So by the time keep watching the channel, I'll surely come up with some new video in coming days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.